Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Hawkins is hiring for management training. So we shall see what are the different roles. So they are basically hiring for 7 different roles, and both for freshers as well as for experienced candidates, and that too any graduates. So we shall quickly see what are the various roles they are hiring for. First we shall see the eligibility criteria. So the eligibility criteria is for experience they are required, so experience or freshers of any graduates, and then the CTC, that is the salary during the training, it is 8 to 10 LPA, and upon confirmation the salary will be 10 to 12 LPA. And next thing is the work location, it is throughout India, and degree required is for BE, BTech, MBA or any other degree are eligible to apply for this. Then we shall quickly see what are the different roles. So this is the first role, that is role 1. They are hiring for sales or marketing. So the responsibilities of the sales or marketing is that the job involves you need to travel. So traveling intensively and managing the dealers and modern retail and achieving the sales targets. So they may have the opportunity based on the performance to attend the foreign conferences. So this is the first role, which is nothing but sales or marketing. So we shall see the next role. So the next role is for accountants and the commerce who have done the accountants. So the responsibility of them is you need to have a jobs in internal audit, costing and corporate accounts, and budgeting and control, and factory accounts and commercial operations, and it is and you must have good understanding of accountancy and spreadsheets is desirable for this role. Then we shall see the third role. So the third role they are hiring for HR, that is human resources. So the jobs in training and manpower development. So you need to be involved in recruitment and appraisal management and the factory HR. So these are the responsibilities of the role 3, that is human resources. So we shall quickly see the role 4. So the role 4 is for legal, that is you need to have a knowledge of industrial relations, intellectual property and legal metrology, as well as some labor laws, and contracts and commercial law will be useful. And company secretary qualified persons may also apply for this role. So next we shall quickly see the role 5. So role 5 is that they are hiring for executive assistants to the senior management. So responsibility is that so bright graduates in any discipline are needed to provide all round and help to the senior managers. And we shall quickly see the next role, that is technical role. So they are also hiring for the technical or the engineering graduates. So responsibility is that diploma holders, so who have completed diploma or engineering graduates or any postgraduates of any branch that are needed in mechanical, electrical, civil, then tool design and manufacture, product design, industrial engineering, material science or robotics. So any graduates can apply for this role, or any diploma graduates, postgraduates of any branch which can be mechanical, electrical as well as manufacture. So this is of the role 6, that is technical or engineering. So we shall quickly see the role 7, that is the technical, that is the programmers. So they are also hiring for programmers, and the responsibility is that you need to have a good practical knowledge of one or more of any one of the programming language. So you need to have hands-on practice, so practical knowledge on C++, C#, C++, C#, then after that SQL, Visual Basic, then Java, then ASP.NET, then HTML, Python or Android. So any one of the practical knowledge on these languages are necessary to apply for this job role. So this is all the job role they are hiring for. So totally they are hiring for 7 different roles, and the salary is during the training it is 8 to 10, and after the training it will be 10 to 12 LPA, and any graduates can apply irrespective of any branch, and they are hiring for freshers as well as experience. And you can quickly go and apply for this job role, and the application link will be provided in the description. So even the application link is very simple. You need to fill your basic details, then you need to upload your resume based on, so there will be 7 different roles. You can choose which is applicable for you. You can click on apply now and go and fill the details, basic details, your name, phone number, everything. Then you need to upload your resume, and main thing is in your paper you're going to write few lines like why are you interested for this job role. So based on that they are going to shortlist. So you need to write it in paper, and then with pen and paper you're going to write why you are interested for this job role, and you are going to upload that PDF. So this is all how you apply. So this is all about the recruitment process. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.